Well, hello everyone. This is Geo of the Information Girls, and today we're going to talk about the About page. Now, how do you get there? You go to your YouTube studio, and then the customization, and then once you get to the customization page, you click on Basic Information. You can change your name of your channel right here if you want to. Just click that pencil and put in a new name and then click publish. Okay, let's talk about the about page here. This about page is one of the most important pages on your YouTube channel. It is an opportunity where visitors and other YouTubers will get to know your channel. This is a chance for you to introduce your channel and what your channel is all about. So you might as well make it great. Now, if you do not have anything on your about page about your channel, people will just skip over your channel and you lose subscribers that may have subscribed to your channel, or you might lose out on people reviewing your channel. So, if you have not filled out your about page, please do so today. This is Geo of the Information Girls. No rumors, just the facts. If you have not joined the Information Girls, please do so today.
So pack that channel and show some loving. No rumors, just the facts. Don't you